The report found that between April 2010 and December 2013, there were over 10,600 early departures across the Welsh public sector, and this was equivalent to around 4% of the workforce as it stood at April 2010. The total cost of these early departure packages was around £254 million. Assuming that staff were not directly or indirectly replaced, public bodies should start to see savings on average after around 10 months, and the potential cost saving of this would be up to £305 million per year. However, these savings may not be realised in full for a number of reasons. Although the exact contribution of early departures is unclear, we did find that staff salary costs alone had reduced by £447 million in real terms between 2009-10 and 2013-14. And we also found that public bodies had used a range of other methods aside from early departures to realise these cost savings, and this included better consideration of the options for a post when it became vacant. The report also found that the governance of early departures has been satisfactory, although not all schemes complied fully with good practice principles.